to use the whale system with the dials for the space heater and the switches for the water heater. As you can see on the left hand side it says space heater, and we've got the power options. At the minute the arrow is pointing to the 0, which means it's power off. One down from there is a fan, so that's fan power only. That'll be no heating, just fan power, a bit like having a home fan plugged in. The very bottom one is gas, that's the flame. If the gas doesn't light, you will get a red light come on just here to tell you that there's no gas lit. If we go back up, we've got 1 bar of electric, 2 bars of electric, and then 3. The more bars you have, the quicker it's going to get hot. It won't get any hotter than you've asked for on the right hand side, but it'll just get there quicker. Room temperature on the right hand side is just where you choose the temperature. So there's no actual temperature display on there, but the further around it is clockwise, the hotter it's going to be. Right at the end we've got a snowflake, and that's cold mode, and what it will do is just blow some cold air. It's not quite air conditioning, but it will show up with a blue light just down here to say that that's working. Turn the system off, just back round to the circle. For the water heater we've got gas and electric settings. On the left hand side there's a switch. If you push it down it goes to the flame, that's hot water on gas. On the right hand side there's a rocker switch, so at the top gives us 1 bar of electric, so it'll warm up but not very quick. It's useful if you're on a site that's got low power. Middle is off, and the bottom is a higher electric setting, so you can have your water warm up quicker. You will get a red light if the gas hasn't lit.